So the light has arrived, the LED light. It's only a cheap one. It cost me £20. I've also got some Miracle Grow liquid plant feed, and because the leaves are yellowing a little bit, I think they're lacking magnesium, so I've had some Epsom salts as well, which I'm going to add to some water. So I'll get on and mix my water with 1 teaspoon of the Miracle Grow and half a teaspoon of Epsom salts. My name's Luke and I come from a small town called Carnarvon in North Wales. I'm a chef by trade, but in my spare time I like to come up with weird and wonderful business ideas. This time, to keep me motivated, I thought I'd bring you along for the ride. So sit down, relax, and let's build a business together. So my cross pollination plants are looking a bit worse for wear. The Carolina Reaper chocolate has lost all its leaves. It was a bit close to the lamp it was, and it ran out of water and nutrients. The Carolina Reaper yellow has got yellow leaves, and there's a little bit of yellowing on the dragon's breath plant as well, which means they're lacking nutrients. The nutrients that I'm using at the minute are for seeding, so I'll have to get some more nutrients to make sure that they survive. And on top of that, 4 of my grow bulbs have gone, so I've just put a temporary LED one in the top, but yeah, there's only one left and it seems to be flickering as well, so there's not much life left on that. So I'll be ordering a LED light in the meantime, just to tie me over. So I'll shoot another clip once I get the nutrients and the LED lights. I'll see you then. So the light has arrived, the LED light. It's only a cheap one. It cost me £20. I've also got some Miracle Grow liquid plant feed, and because the leaves are yellowing a little bit, I think they're lacking magnesium, so I've had some Epsom salts as well, which I'm going to add to some water. So I'll get on and mix my water with 1 teaspoon of the Miracle Grow and half a teaspoon of Epsom salts to 4 pints of water. Let's go ahead and do that. So we've added this, and then we've added the Epsom salt, which has a high concentrate of magnesium. So I'll go ahead and mix that, and we'll be putting that instead of the other nutrients that I've put in the plants, to see if we get more colour in the leaves and if the plants grow a little bit better. I'll go ahead and get it into a jug, and then we'll feed the plants. I've put the nutrients in a jug, and I've got rid of the old seed growing nutrients. So let's feed the plants. Just wash a little bit of that root. This one had actually ran out of water, so that's why the leaves had dropped off. I'll feed it just underneath the black pot, just so the plants can breathe. There we go, that's one. So that's the Carolina Reaper chocolate. This one is the dragon's breath. And this one is the Carolina Reaper yellow. There we go. Right, I'll put the rest of the nutrients in the aero garden setup. Now I've mixed 4 pints here. It tells you to mix a full cap with, sorry, it tells you to mix half a cap of Miracle Grow with 1 litre of water, but I've seen on a source online that for hydroponic situations where you haven't got soil, you just mix 2 teaspoons per gallon and 1 teaspoon of the Epsom salts. So I've gone for half the liquid, which is 4 pints, and I've mixed 1 teaspoon of the fertilizer, the all-purpose liquid nutrient, with half a teaspoon of the Epsom salts. Right, I'll cut here and we'll go on to the lights. So the lighting rig I've gone for is just a cheap LED lighting. I will buy another one when I get paid, but this one is a 214 LED light, and it's a red, blue and white light, so a full spectrum light. And I'll be using this instead of the other lighting system because as you can see, I've run out of bulbs for this lighting system. The thing about an LED lighting system is that the bulbs will last a bit longer, and also you don't use as much energy as you do on a normal setup, but you get more usable light for the amount of energy you use. This is only a small 35 watts lighting system, but this is what they actually put a 35 watt LED system on the new Aero Garden, so it should be more than enough light to grow what I need to grow. Okay, let's have a look. We'll plug this in just to see how bright it gets. Okay, I'll plug this in and I'll see you in a minute. So I've put the lights for now, the XL Van grow light, on the old lighting rig, but in the next video I'll be trying to build a budget grow room to house all these in. Then after that there'll be a video on self-watering for the polytunnel, and then after that I'll come to the third part of this series, which is the cross pollination, and I'll show you how to cross pollinate chilies. I'll see you in the next video. If you like the video, guys, please subscribe. We'll be giving away free prizes after we reach 1,000 subscribers. Please also like and comment. We like to know what you think of our videos. We'll see you in the next video.